If you use Cash App, keeping your money secure is a must. And one of the easiest ways to do that is by setting up or changing your security PIN. In this quick video, I'll show you step by step how to create a brand new PIN so you can protect your account from unauthorized access. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share a crucial tip that could save you if someone ever tries to hack your account. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android device. Once inside, tap the profile icon. That's the little person-shaped icon in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Next, tap on Privacy and Security, which is usually the second option on the list. Under the Security section, you'll see Change Cash PIN. Tap that. At this point, Cash App may ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint, Face ID, or your existing PIN. Go ahead and do that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your new PIN. Make sure it's something memorable but not too easy to guess. Avoid birthdays or repeated numbers. Once you type in your new PIN, Cash App will ask you to confirm it by entering it again. That's it. You'll receive a text or email notification confirming that your PIN has been changed. If you ever get this notification and you didn't make the change, it could mean someone is trying to access your account. Contact Cash App, Arsha Square support immediately to secure your funds. And there you have it. Your account is now more secure than ever. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Cash App tips, and check out the links in the description for related guides that can save you time and money.